The new Range Rover Sport. Exceptional performance. Outstanding capability. Quite literally, in a class of its own. Muscular and perfectly proportioned, the new Range Rover Sport is designed to command attention wherever you take it. Its purposeful stance is enhanced by the redesigned grille, sports bonnet, and fender vents. The new design is confident, contemporary, and uniquely Range Rover. Luxurious and comfortable, the Range Rover Sport is a driver's vehicle through and through. The signature cockpit has been reimagined, every element meticulously designed and beautifully executed. From the sleek new Touch Pro Duo control panel to the flush touch-sensitive steering wheel switches. Throughout this vehicle, the finest materials are combined seamlessly with dynamic sport detailing to make it both compelling and contemporary. The new Range Rover Sport features enhanced flexible stowage solutions, including the new upper glove box, deep stowage concealed beneath the cup holders, and center console with an optional refrigerator compartment. Dynamic integrated exhausts complement the new Range Rover Sport's assertive design and further enhance the vehicle's sportier stance. The new Range Rover Sport has sleek, redesigned headlights, which now feature LED technology for improved energy efficiency and durability. The animated directional indicators further complement the distinctive contemporary design enhancements. At the rear, new LED tail lights sweep back with self-assured simplicity. The new Range Rover Sport features the intuitive Touch Pro Duo system. Key vehicle features are controlled via the dual 10-inch touchscreens, which allow you to tailor the information displayed according to your preference. The 12.3-inch high-resolution, full-color interactive driver display has 4 different layouts, which can be tailored to suit the driver's preference and deliver the key information required. The advanced multifunction steering wheel uses hidden until lit capacitive switches to give the driver effortless control of the vehicle's functionality. The new Range Rover Sport's second-generation head-up display delivers a larger, full-color image, projecting key information into the driver's line of sight. The all-new Pixel LED headlights produce a beam made up of 144 LEDs that respond to multiple light sources. The system can shadow 4 sections simultaneously, illuminating the road ahead without dazzling oncoming traffic. At higher speeds, the optional laser supplementary high beam enhances visibility more than 500 meters ahead, further improving safety. A 4G Wi-Fi hotspot and numerous connection points put connectivity at the heart of the new Range Rover Sport to ensure you stay connected wherever your journey takes you. Meanwhile, 12-volt USB and domestic plug sockets ensure your devices stay charged. The new Range Rover Sport Activity Key is a durable waterproof wristband that locks and unlocks the vehicle, allowing the user to enjoy outdoor activities without having to carry their key fob. The distinctive Sports Command driving position elevates the driver, giving sweeping views of the road ahead and a sense of confidence and control. A lightweight all-aluminium architecture underpins the outstanding performance of the new Range Rover Sport. Dynamic mode automatically tunes the vehicle's performance by setting the new Range Rover Sport's throttle mapping, gearbox shift points, steering and suspension to suit a dynamic driving style. Configurable dynamics allows you to further adjust the vehicle setup to deliver a drive tailored to your specific requirements. Air suspension delivers a sure-footed and composed drive. When cruising at a speed of 105 kilometers per hour or above, the air suspension will lower by up to 15 millimeters, reducing drag and improving efficiency. Electronic active differential with torque vectoring by braking constantly balances the distribution of the engine torque between the four wheels to deliver responsive, controlled cornering and handling, even on the tightest of bends. The new Range Rover Sport offers a choice of 8 different powertrains. Land Rover's first plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the P400e, represents a new and exciting chapter in the marque's distinguished history. A composed and luxurious ride with Range Rover Sport capability and plug-in hybrid levels of emissions of 64 grams per kilometre. The PHEV P400e features an efficient 2-litre Ingenium petrol engine, coupled with a high-output 85 kilowatt electric motor, which deliver a combined output of 404 PS. There is also a range of engaging petrol engines, including the 2-litre Ingenium, which offers both sport and economy, the exhilarating supercharged 3-litre V6, and the incredible performance of the supercharged 5-litre V8. Or choose the smooth, progressive performance of the diesel engines, from the efficient 2-litre SD4 and the impressive 3-litre TDV6, the powerful SDV6, and the exceptional performance of the 4.4-litre twin-turbo SDV8. The cabin air ionization system uses nanotechnology to improve the air quality inside the vehicle. The system condenses moisture from the cabin air and breaks it into tiny electrically charged particles that react with air contaminants to neutralize odors, bacteria, and allergens. Shielded by water, the particles last longer and disperse further than those from conventional ionizers, making them more effective and maintaining a healthier cabin atmosphere for longer. The ingenious gesture-activated sun blind further enhances the effortless sense of comfort and well-being inside. The blind closes automatically when the vehicle is locked, returning to its previous position when the driver returns, to prevent the cabin from overheating. Peerless in all respects, this is our most capable Range Rover Sport yet. Terrain Response 2 adjusts the vehicle's configuration to match the demands of the terrain by automatically selecting from one of 5 driving modes. The driver can also select Dynamic mode, which tunes the suspension for tighter handling and sharper responses, or Eco mode, where the system promotes the most efficient driving style. The new Range Rover Sport, quite literally in a class of its own. The all-new P400e represents an important new chapter in the Range Rover Sport's distinguished history. A composed and luxurious ride, with Range Rover Sport capability and plug-in hybrid levels of emissions. With the option to charge at home or in designated public places, the new Range Rover Sport is as convenient as it is impressive. Easy home and public charging is supported by the Land Rover In Control app, which allows the driver to use a smartphone to check key information like charge levels and charging times. The petrol engine and electric motor work together to produce a combined output of 404 PS, delivering the effortless drive you expect from a Range Rover Sport. In parallel hybrid mode, the driver can choose between settings to optimize either fuel efficiency or save battery charge for later use. Or when in electric mode, the vehicle can operate as a purely electric vehicle with a range of up to 51 kilometers. The system automatically reverts to the petrol engine if the driver requires greater acceleration. The new Range Rover Sport, our most dynamic Range Rover.